Welcome back to Balaba Gist.
What they happen now, as it stand right now, they say that the Nigeria government and the Aso Rock, it go soon red though for inside Nigeria. As this prophet don't come outside, Konto say that Tinubu should look into this case of Nnamdi Kanu and the way in they handle Nigeria things. Say very soon, everywhere go scatter. He say all man go there with him back for head though they run. My people, I go live on and make una watch the video. More na here. In all the allegation whether they give the Igbos come here more the truth don't they come outside. We will still play you the next video as they watch this prophecy finish. So stay tuned and watch the whole video from beginning to end so that you can understand everything where they happen. Watch the video.
In 2023, when campaign of presidential election was hot everywhere in Nigeria, when the obedient were everywhere, and everybody, all the pastors were saying Peter Obi, Peter Obi, Peter Obi, Peter Obi. I came out and I said, by voting Peter Obi, by sitting Tinubu. And I gave a very specific prophecy. And I told the world, I said, the Lord said to me, that there is a secret in Aso Rock. That he is going to reveal that secret very soon that will shock the whole world. That was when I spoke about the demons in form of human being, leaders that are sitting in that Aso Rock. I said there is a secret that God is going to reveal very soon. It's not going to be too far from now. That secret, if care is not taken, if the situation is not managed well, that secret will shut down the whole of Aso Rock. I gave that prophecy in Ikorodu. That was when I gave the prophecy. I'm sure you people are hearing what is happening now. Those of you who are on the internet, who are ready, you are hearing what is happening now. Yeah? I just came to advise our president. You know the year word. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I just came to advise him. Trade with caution. Trade with caution. Trade with caution. Tell the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to trade with caution. Whatever you can do to manage the situation on ground, because the one coming will be bigger than you. When the prophets speak, the wise they listen. If I tell you, thus saith the Lord, you doubt me, you be egwe, you be ozuo. What is coming to the Aso Rock of Nigeria is bigger than what anybody can ever imagine. Very big. Very, very big. So, the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, should trade with caution. And I want to use this opportunity to tell the federal government to release Nnamdi Kanu. Because what I'm seeing is going to come like this. It will come like this. It will come like this. And it will enter, boom. Before they will be able to trace it like this, trace it and come like this, everywhere does scatter. What happened in June 12th is about to repeat itself in Nigeria. Me, I be Oba, I know they go transfer. As I talk finish, I go fold my hand. I go enter house, I go to watch you now. When it don't happen again, I'll majadi. The president, this is the message for you. Open your eyes, trade with caution. Do not carry your body and say, I'm the president, I'm the president. They go break those wings. I'm the president. I'm no triumph. Because what is coming is bigger than I'm a president. I'm a president. What is coming? This is how I speak to you people. I know they hear. I said that they use Kotiwu, they block on ear. That was how I spoke to Muhammadu Buhari. You know, here. In 2015, I spoke to the world that they should not remove Goodluck Jonathan. That Nigeria will eat sand. All of them say I was a fake prophet. When they chop sand now, when I begin to correct me saying, "I bring Tinubu, Tinubu, I bring himself come." I only said what I saw. So the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria should trade with caution, should trade very well with caution, and make sure that as they enter into the month of March, Nnamdi Kanu is released. I know some of the wicked leaders in Igbo land are the ones that are still keeping Nnamdi Kanu, not Tinubu. Tinubu, you have the power as the president to say, let him be released. Release him so that when the battle will come, we will know where the battle follow come. Because right now, the battle is going to come. I'm demonstrating the game to come like this, to come like this, to come like this. It will boom and so now go no alpha. May God protect Nigeria. May God protect the good people of Nigeria. May the greediness of our leaders not take the life of innocent Nigeria. I pray for you that shouted amen. This year, 2025, you will dedicate your miracle. If your amen is the loudest, your miracle is released. Jump up and shout amen like a Christian.
Obasanjo said that the killings in the counter coup were senseless. Army officers of Igbo origin were killed in Abeokuta, in Ikeja,
3 of them,
in the north, and northerners and military officers then went to town, and Igbos were targeted. That was what you saw.
Yes.
In Kaduna. Igbo men and women were killed, even children.
Yes.
That's what you call the pogrom.
Yes.
And because of the pogrom, there was war. Yes. In 1967, you joined the Nigerian army.
Yes.
After you have witnessed the pogrom.
The program, yes.
You joined the Nigerian army during wartime.
Yes.
When did you realize that it was a pogrom? Was it before you joined the army or after you have left the army?
I saw everything. I was a living witness. Then after the war, I decided to write my book.
Why did you join the army to fight Biafra?
To keep Nigeria one. That was the slogan to us. There was no any other slogan rather than to keep Nigeria one.
So by the time you were joining the army, you believed that the Igbo nation was wrong?
Anyway, but later on I discovered that they were not wrong. You know, I was in the trench for 20 months, fighting day and night. 20 months without being posted to the rear. Or transferred from the trench until the end of the war. And I saw how the Biafrans were determined with zeal to fight us. They were fighting for survival. Even it came to a point in 1969 when a lot of soldiers realized that the war was fruitless. It's not the war that only the ordinary people were being killed in the war front, and those who caused the war were not affected. People started to inflict themselves with injury to be taken to the rear, but until Obasanjo came to save the situation and ended the war. If not, and I believe I stated in my book there how Biafra surrender. It was not much of our firepower or anything. It was hunger. Because when we block the Cameroon border through road, Calabar, and we block Port Harcourt through air, Biafra was not having any access to outside world through air, through water, through land. So they were in a desperate situation by then, and they were affected by hunger. I think that factor alone affected the people, the Biafran soldiers on the battlefield. You see.
And I don't see a lot of stories are coming out how everything went. Have this one. Now everybody is coming out to tell us this is how it happened. This is how it happened. It was there was there, there's this, there that. But what we are saying is it's not going to be like that again. This time around, the story is going to change. The story is going to be like this. The Biafrans take over the city and they do this thing. So if Nigeria don't want that story to be like that, let them do the needful. Nah, because what is coming is bigger. That's so bio. Now I bring a show now. Okay, my wonderful people, don't forget to see the for Balabaji says the watch. Make sure you share the video.